Today I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome and set Google back as your default search engine. This is a quick fix, but it can make a huge difference if Chrome keeps opening Yahoo instead of the search engine you actually want to use. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of the important browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page where you can change the browser's default behavior, privacy options, appearance, and search settings. On the left side, or in the settings list depending on your version of Chrome, look for the section called Search Engine and click it. Now you should see the option to change your default search engine. Click the Change button or the drop-down option next to the search engine setting. A list of available search engines will appear. From that list, select Google. After selecting Google, click Set as default. This tells Chrome to use Google whenever you search from the address bar or open a new tab search box instead of Yahoo. If Yahoo is still showing up after this, it may be because an extension or browser setting is forcing the change. In that case, double-check your extensions and remove anything you don't recognize. But in most cases, simply changing the search engine back to Google will fix the problem right away. And that's it. You've now removed Yahoo search from Google Chrome and switched back to Google as your default search engine. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple fix like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.